Hello everybody, Slick Phoenix here, and we're going to do Guild Order again. I've already finished all the rewards, but I'm just going to keep doing this. Have some fun with it. I got 6 minutes before it resets, so I think I got in just in time. Unless for some strange reason there's a timer on here that if I don't complete it by midnight, it just shuts me out. And we'll see, right? But I doubt that's the case. You know, it's not like a raid event. Oh, what do we have here? And let's not. Let's go over here. Ha 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 ha. And this time, I'm going to use wind. I don't know. I use you. Here's my wind team. Alright, 11:55. Let's get this shown quickly here. As my girls, this is actually what's known as the wind meta team. It gets fast bursts. We'll see how they do. Yeah, I may need to adjust to win it overall, a full SSR grid, but I'll just have to figure that out and see how this goes. Wind is probably now my one that has the worst idle on, you know, because I still only have Icarus. I don't have anything good from the premium to go in her place, but I do have a good team for wind. If I show you my subs. My subs would be Azazel, I've had for a while, and then Set, which is fairly new, but I've leveled her up enough that she's almost at 75. So that's my backups. And let's see how we do. Well, I just realized I didn't have any VOF or anything like that to help me. This should be fun. Alright. I find that this order tends to work better. I think usually they put Cybo in front of Titania, but that just hasn't worked out for me. This order has done, to me it feels like it's done better, but maybe it's better in the longer run. I don't know. Alright, let's see how this goes. She's the one that I really want to concentrate on. Nice. That works. Multitask like crazy, but that's gonna throw off Haster here. She really needed to get that in. Ow. Man. That close. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna do this, but I mean, 3 off, that's just all kinds of fun to me. Alright, I want you just good. Normally they should have been able to do the full burst, but due to the circumstances, it just didn't happen. Because if she had been allowed to attack at the very end, he needs the multi here. Kuz isn't up yet. Esther's about to burst, and it's going to throw them all into out of sync. Alright, let's hope for... Nice. Alright, Demi Gordon. She needs some help there. So close. Yes. Cool. Again. So close. Yet so far. Oh, that's just wonderful and amazing, isn't it? Alright. What would really help here is actually having Hester up, but 9876. It's going to be 10 off. And perhaps I should have waited. Alright. Let's hope for some good luck here. And hope that none of these girls get really jacked up by this. Yeah, none of those were none of this defense downs were a mistake. Alright, that tickled. You just hurt a lot. I suppose I should use that. That would be helpful, I would think. Yeah, I already used her. Let's just give them a moment to get reset here. Alright. Not anything yet. What do I want to do here? You need 9, but then you need 8 and 7, so... Oops, I should have done something else first. Well, let's hope for a good soul here. Ow. Ow. Man, these girls just... they mean business, don't they? You're particularly hurting right now. Alright. Let's see how that pans out. Let's heal yourself. Oh, that's unfortunate. Alright. How do we want to do this? Oh, everyone else is on, but Q. Alright. Here's my biggest challenge. Well, let's see how much damage I can do. Let's just brute force this thing. Oh, wow. Okay. She took out 2 of my girls. Very nice. That was actually very shocking. Alright, I'm not familiar with all of Set's skills yet. Okay, barrier, good. Yep, okay. Let's see who lives. That's interesting. Because that should have been... Alright, what that tells me is she did her other one early. This will be interesting information, won't it? I don't think these guys are going to make it because of that. Because that is going to wreck me. That was very interesting indeed. Boom, wrecked. Goodbye. That was close. So really what I should have done, because this was not a strong team, and I actually did not expect that to happen. Alright, so what I understand to have happened, she was at 2 orbs, not at rage yet. I bursted her, took her to rage, and at the same time below the 50%, and she whacked me, and I had the BP on. Very interesting indeed. But what I should have done, and I wasn't expecting her to do that until the next one, when she used the other thing, because I was going to use the shields, the nullification of damage from Cybele and Ku. Oh, that was very interesting. I'm going to say that over and over again. She used her burst, that 2-shot burst, when I don't believe she should have. So something went weird there, or we don't fully understand the mechanics of that. As I burst her into rage, she dropped below 50%. She wasn't at full burst orbs yet. She was 2. And she used it in 2 of my rolls. Like I said, I wasn't expecting it. I was going to use the shields on those 2 to hopefully let them target, kind of throw it up in the air to RNGeous there. But I was not expecting it to happen there. And in my mind, it should have happened there, so that kind of threw that whole thing off. So I'll redo that again, that run again with wind, and then the next time I'll just push her up. I won't even burst until I get her to rage, and then I'll burst her down. And I'll just have to work on saving more potions to survive better. But that was interesting. I was very shocked by that, and that's when we threw off my whole run. But I got close. Really close. Anyways, so just just giving my thoughts about what's going on. Anyways, until next time, happy hunting, take care, and I'll see you on the battlefield.